Our vendor is making good progress, and our first part is right here. This part measures out within spec, but one of my concerns is continued quality. We need to trust but verify. This is typically completed in a quality department, but being that we're a smaller company, I am the quality department, and I need to ensure quality standards are met. In the past, we would print out a drawing, sketch balloons for every dimension, and then manually create an Excel spreadsheet that we hope is accurate and properly reflects the balloons on the drawing. Since we are in a time crunch, I need a fast and accurate method to create my inspection report for this part. Luckily, I was able to take advantage of SOLIDWORKS Inspection to balloon my drawing and develop an accurate inspection report in Excel in a matter of minutes, not hours. Let's take a look. Using SOLIDWORKS PDM, I can quickly search for and find the drawing I sent to my vendor. Using the embedded viewer, I can quickly verify this is the correct drawing before even opening it. Once open, I start a new inspection project and select the project template. These templates can be customized to your company's standards or just use one of the standard templates included. Because SOLIDWORKS Inspection is embedded, it can directly read the custom properties of the part, such as part name, part number, and they can even be configuration specific. Once I accept the settings, SOLIDWORKS Inspection takes care of the time-consuming task of identifying and ballooning every characteristic in my drawing. Each individual characteristic has its own properties and can be manually changed as needed. For example, these hole diameters are critical as that's where the steering column is supported, so I will mark them as key dimensions. I can also adjust individual tolerances. Once my inspection characteristics are adjusted, I can now create my deliverables. First, a 2D PDF of the drawing, and next, the inspection report. My report takes advantage of Microsoft Excel's conditional formatting, so as I enter the measured values, the text will turn red if outside the acceptable tolerance range, or green if it is acceptable. This makes it very easy to quickly identify non-conforming measurements. SOLIDWORKS Inspection can help you drastically speed up the time it takes to fully document your quality assurance process. Automatic ballooning of SOLIDWORKS drawings and providing accurate inspection reports allows your team to focus on the most important aspect of quality: inspecting production components. Keep watching this series to see how URB-E moved from concept to consumer, leveraging the SOLIDWORKS solution.